Learn how to make money doing surveys in Zambia, how it works, how to get paid, and the list of sites you can do surveys in Zambia. Are you looking for some legit survey sites in 2020 which will pay you today via PayPal or other methods like mobile money? This was posted as a post on my blog. Click on the link in the description below. You are right on the mark. Below you'll find more stunning legit surveys to make some PayPal money fast. Let's jump onto the list without any further ado. Why should you join surveys in Zambia? Before I start thinking about the 39 surveys that pay via PayPal, I would like to talk about why many people choose to get paid through PayPal over other forms of payment. First of all, PayPal is available in most countries, which is the first reason so many people are searching for surveys paying through PayPal. The second explanation, and also why you should join always surveys that pay through PayPal, is that 99% of them are legit. You know, PayPal is still involved in the battle against fraud, and they are not working with websites that would scam people. And if a survey supports PayPal, then that is a clear indicator that it is real. Beware of the PayPal survey scams. While PayPal does a decent job of keeping its users secure, there is always a risk that some kind of scamming could slip through. But just note to use these tips below to stay safe. Avoid any dodgy-looking website that promises quick, free and fast PayPal money. Any website that promises you to earn $1,000 a day via PayPal. Avoid PayPal scams like Instant PayPal Club and PayPal Money Adder. How long does PayPal take? Okay, some surveys will automatically reimburse you via PayPal because they have no minimum payout. Although some surveys would allow you to have a minimum of $5 to $25 in your account before you can cash out. You'll find surveys in this list that pay through PayPal, and each has a different payout cap. I'll describe each in depth, and I'll make sure you find your country's highest paid surveys. How to get paid by answering surveys and taking pictures in Zambia and getting paid via mobile money and airtime easily. There is only one legit app I have used myself, and it has paid me multiple times. You are not required to recruit people. Your job is to answer and take pictures requested. Payment is instant once you reach K5. How to make money with Premise app. What does Premise app do? Premise collects ground-level data from across the globe to help organizations answer their most important questions. Share your local knowledge by completing simple tasks, such as sharing an opinion, completing a short survey, or taking photos around your city to help organizations make more informed and better decisions. WHO does Premise work for? Premise works for governments, humanitarian aid organizations and for-profit businesses. Some of our current and past customers include the United Nations Development Programme, USAID, and the World Bank. How do I become a contributor? All you need is a smartphone and the Premise app, which can be downloaded through the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Download the app, create an account, and complete your first tasks to start earning money. Where is Premise available? We currently operate in 70+ countries around the globe and are growing rapidly. Tasks are available based on the needs of organizations we are working with, so task availability can change frequently. Do I need a specific type of phone? Depending on the region, Premises app can be found on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. However, Premise is only available on Android devices in certain locations. An Android phone must be a 4.0 edition or later in order for the app to work. Do I need an internet connection? Wi-Fi? Yes, an internet connection is required in order to access tasks, complete them and submit cash-out requests. How much money can I make with Premise? The amount of money contributors can earn depends on how many tasks they complete. Some of our contributors are using their earnings to pay school fees, fund a homeless food bank, and finish home improvement projects. We use a number of different payment providers, such as Coinbase, PayPal and mobile money, to make the payment process easy. Is there a limit to the number of tasks I can complete? The only limit on your ability to complete tasks is dependent on the demand for information in the area and how many others nearby are reserving the tasks for themselves. In order to complete as many tasks as possible, we recommend constantly checking the task marketplace, reserving a task that you want to perform, and completing it as soon as possible before it is reserved by someone else. Is Premise safe? Premise is always committed to the safety and well-being of our contributors and works hard to ensure they have a positive experience while using our app. We take a number of preventative measures to ensure safety, including working with our country support specialists to design tasks and gain local insight. Personal information is generally used to ensure data quality and optimize the platform, and is encrypted to ensure your privacy. Do I need to have my location and camera access? Our tasks often require taking pictures or going to certain locations, which is why we have to request permissions like location and camera access to be turned on.